This is the second part of chapter second, the Shehnai of Bismillah Khan. In first part, we had studied about the Evelyn Glennie's sound of music, means how she hear sound without hearing power, because she lost hearing power in the age of 11 years. So in this second part, shows the how Bismillah Khan played Shehnai very well and how he learned to play Shehnai. So Emperor Aurangzeb banned the playing of the musical instrument called pungi in the royal residence, for it had a shrill, unpleasant sound. Emperor Aurangzeb, have you heard this name very well in history? Banned. Banned means stop. Write down the meaning. Banned, stop. Stop the playing of a musical instrument. म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट को प्ले करने पर बैन लगा दिया था उन्होंने. व्हाट इज इट कॉल्ड? पुंगी. पुंगी इज द नेम ऑफ म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट इन द रॉयल रेजिडेंस, फॉर इट हैड अ श्रिल अनप्लेजेंट साउंड. रॉयल रेजिडेंस मींस रॉयल कोर्ट, मींस रॉयल पैलेस, फॉर इट हैज अ श्रिल अनप्लेजेंट साउंड. श्रिल मींस shrill, like a very sharp sound. Shrill means sharp. Unpleasant means uncomfortable, to feel uncomfortable. Means रॉयल रेजिडेंस में, मीन्स रॉयल पैलेस में पुंगी को बजाने पर बैंड लगा दिया, बिकॉज ये बहुत ही शार्प सा साउंड, अनप्लेजेंट साउंड क्रिएट करती थी. Pungi became the generic name for reeded noisemakers. Generic name, a name given to a class or group as a whole. Generic name means a generation name, means it gives a name from generation to generations. So pungi became the generic name for reeded noisemaker. Reeded means sharp. There is the reeded wind instrument which have reeds in, like the flute and the clarinet, means has a reeds. Reeds means like a hole होते हैं जिसमें कि हम उसको इस तरीके से बजाते हैं, प्ले करते हैं. Yes, noise maker, noise create करने वाला इंस्ट्रूमेंट था. Few had thought that it would one day be revived. Means few people thought about the pungi that it would one day be revived. Means work again. Means it will be play in the royal residence again. A barber of a family of professional musicians who had access to the royal palace decided to improve the tonal quality of the pungi. A barber of the family, a barber's family of professional musicians, means as a caste, his caste was barber, but their profession was musician. They are the musician. So who had access to the royal palace, means access, develop, who had developed to the royal palace, decided to improve the tonal quality. Tonal means tune quality of the pungi, sound quality of the pungi, means they decided to improve the tune sound quality of the pungi. He chose a pipe with a natural hollow stem. Means a barber, musician, he chose a pipe. This is the second form of choose, to select something. A pipe with a natural hollow. Hollow is a hole stem. Hollow means like empty stem. Empty type की जो stem होती है, stem is the part of the tree. Do you know? Stem, part of the tree that was longer and broader than the pungi. That is the pipe that was longer and broader. Means एक तरीके से चौड़ा टाइप का पाइप होगा than the pungi, in comparison to pungi, and made 7 holes on the body of the pipe. Means he made 7 holes on the body of the pipe. When he played on it, closing and opening some of these holes soft and melodious sound were. Means when he played on it, means closing and opening some of these holes, soft and melodious sound were produced. Melodious, very pleasant sound. Soft and pleasant sound were produced. He played the instrument before royalty and everyone was impressed. Means he played the instrument before royalty, means in a royal residence. He played the instrument before the king, before the emperor, and everyone was impressed with the sound of this instrument. The instrument, so different from the pungi, had to be given a new name. This instrument is very different to the pungi and had to a given name as the story goes. Since it was the first played in the Shah's chamber. Shah's chamber, it was first played. So was played by a nai. Nai. Nai means barber. In Hindi, it is called nai. So the instrument was named as Shehnai. Okay. First played in Shah's chamber, and who was played? Nai was played this instrument. So its name was Shehnai. So this is the name mentioned about Shehnai. This is Shehnai and this is pungi. Pungi is used by the snake charmer. At that time, pungi is used for snake charmer. Yes, in second para, the sound of the Shehnai began to be considered auspicious. Means considered means to understand. The sound of the Shehnai began to be understood, auspicious. This is the meaning of auspicious, promising to bring good fortune. Promising to bring good fortune. You have to write down these meanings also inside there. And for this reason, it is still played in temples. And for the very special reason, it is still played in temples and is an indispensable component of any North Indian wedding. Indispensable, it means without which a piece of work cannot be done. Indispensable means without which, means without this instrument, there cannot be, a piece of work cannot be done. Component, component means instrument. Instrument of any North Indian wedding, means in North Indian wedding, Shehnai was played. In the past, the Shehnai was part of the Naubat or traditional ensemble of 9 instruments found at royal court. Ensemble means things here, instrument considered as group, means group, in a group. It is found in a traditional group. Instrument found at royal courts. Royal courts, it was means इसको royal court में रखा गया as a royal instrument के रूप में. Till recently, it was used only in temples and weddings. Means at present time, it was used only in temples and weddings also, and especially in the North Indian weddings. The credit for bringing this instrument onto the classical stage goes to Ustad Bismillah Khan. Means this credit, means this opportunity for bringing this instrument onto the classical stage. Classical stage पर लाने का जो credit जाता है, वो उस्ताद बिस्मिल्लाह खान को जाता है. Okay, so as a 5 years old, Bismillah Khan played gilli danda near a pond in the ancient state of Dumrao in Bihar. In Bihar, it is a ancient state, Dumrao, where Bismillah Khan, as a 5 years old, played gilli danda near the pond. He would regularly go to the nearby Bihariji's temple to sing the Bhojpuri Cheta. Cheta is the song name. Bhojpuri Cheta. So he would regularly go to near Bihariji's temple to sing Bhojpuri Cheta, at the end of which, means at the end of the song, at the end of the Bhojpuri Cheta, he would earn a big laddu. Means he get a big laddu, that's its weight is 1.25 kg. 1.25 केजी का इतना बड़ा लड्डू उन्हें मिलता था आफ्टर sang the song. A prize given by the local Maharajas, and this prize was given by the local Maharajas to Bismillah Khan. This happened 80 years ago. Means this incident happened 80 years ago, and the little boy has traveled far to earn the highest civilian award in India. This happened 80 years ago, and the little boy has traveled far to earn the highest civilian award. Civilian award in India means highly respective award. Civilian award, respective award. In India, the Bharat Ratna. Means Bismillah Khan got Bharat Ratna. Okay. So born on 21st March 1916 means Bismillah Khan born on 21st March 1916. Bismillah belongs to a well-known family of musician from Bihar. Means he belongs to Bihar. So well-known family of musicians. And his grandfather Rasul Bucks Khan. His grandfather name Rasul Bucks Khan was the Shehnai Nawaz of the Bhojpur King's Court. Bhojpur King's Court, Bhojpur King's Palace. His grandfather was the Shehnai Nawaz. Shehnai Nawaz is the means a title to give his grandfather. His father Pegambar Bucks and other paternal ancestor were also great Shehnai players. Or also great means he belongs to a very means Shehnai players family and musicians family. So her paternal ancestors and her father and forefathers means grandfather also played Shehnai very well. Yes. In next para, the young boy took to music early in life. Young boy, Bismillah Khan. Bismillah Khan took to music early in life at the age of 3, when his mother took him to his maternal uncle's house. Maternal uncle means, do you know maternal uncle? Mama. House in Banaras, now Varanasi. It is called in Varanasi. And Bismillah was fascinated watching his uncles practice the Shehnai. Fascinated, attracted. Fascinated means attracted. Watching his uncles practice the Shehnai. Soon, Bismillah started accompanying his uncle. Accompanying means with his company. Ali Bucks. Ali Bucks is the name of his maternal uncle. Ali Bucks to the Vishnu temple of Banaras, where Bucks was employed to play the Shehnai. Means in Banaras Vishnu temple, Ali Bucks was employed to play the Shehnai. Means he works as a Shehnai player in this temple. Ali Bucks would play the Shehnai and Bismillah would sit captivated for hours to end. Captivated, observe, or to see attentively, carefully, to see carefully. Slowly he started getting lessons in playing the instrument and would sit practicing throughout the day. Means slowly he started getting lessons. Means he learns to play the instrument, this Shehnai, and would sit practicing throughout the day. Means throughout the day, whole day he practiced to play the Shehnai. For years to come, the temple of Balaji and Mangala Maya and the banks of the Ganga became the young apprentice's favorite haunts. For years, means for many years, to come to the temple of Balaji. Balaji and Mangala Maya, these are the temple in Banaras, and the banks of the Ganga, means near the Ganga river, became the young apprentice's favorite haunt. Young apprentice means pupil, student. Student, apprentice means student. Favorite haunts. Haunts means place, favorite place, where he would practice in solitude. Solitude means loneliness. Means उनका एक favorite place बन गया जहां पर वो प्रैक्टिस करते थे कई घंटों तक, पूरे थ्रू आउट द डे. इन सॉलिट्यूड मीन्स अकेलेपन में, लोनलीनेस. द फ्लोइंग वाटर्स ऑफ द गंगा इंस्पायर्ड हिम. इंस्पिरेट हिम मीन्स इंस्पिरेट करता था, मोटिवेट करता था उनको. द फ्लोइंग वाटर ऑफ गंगा टू इम्प्रोवाइज एंड इन्वेंट rags that were earlier considered to be beyond the range of the Shehnai. Him to improvised. Improvised means improve. Improvise means improve. And invent means discover. Discover rag means music में राग और आलाप होते हैं, तो उसको क्रिएट करने के लिए, न्यू राग डेवलप करने के लिए, न्यू राग डेवलप करने के लिए, that was earlier considered, that was earlier understand to be beyond the range of the शहनाई. means उस शहनाई की रेंज से भी वो बहुत आगे चले जाते थे. फॉरवर्ड. At the age of 14, Bismillah accompanied his uncle to the Allahabad Music Conference. Means when Bismillah Khan was 14 years old, he was with company, means he went with his company of his uncle in to Allahabad Music Conference. Conference is a music concert, means in a music concert. At the end of the recital, his recital means his alap, his practice. Recital means performance. At the end of his performance, Ustad Fayyaz Khan patted the young boy's back. Patted means thapthapana, means Fayyaz Khan patted the young boy's back and said, work hard, you shall make it. Means Fayyaz Khan said to Bismillah Khan, work hard, you shall make it. With the opening of All India Radio in Lucknow in 1938 came Bismillah's big break. Means in All India Radio in 1938, Bismillah Khan get a big break. He soon became an often heard Shehnai player on radio. Means he often heard means usual heard Shehnai player on radio. Means he plays Shehnai on radio. Yes, when India gained independence on 15 August 1947, Bismillah Khan became the first Indian to greet the nation with his Shehnai. Greet means welcome. Means Bismillah Khan was the first Indian who welcomed the nation, who welcomed our India with his Shehnai. Means he played Shehnai on Red Fort on 15 August 1947. He poured his heart out into Rag Kafi from the Red Fort to an audience which included Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. On that time, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, our first Prime Minister. So, in the presence of first Prime Minister, our Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, he played, he poured. Poured means take out his heart, take out his heart into Rag Kafi. It's a rag name from the Red Fort. Red Fort, he played Shehnai onto the Red Fort to the audience, and who later gave his famous Tirest and Destiny speech. Means Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, after the Shehnai played, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru gave his famous Tirest with Destiny speech. Tirest means believe. Believe with luck, mean trust with luck. He gave a very motivational speech from the Red Fort. Okay. Bismillah Khan has given many memorable performances both in India and abroad. Abroad means foreign country. His first trip, his first journey abroad was to Afghanistan. Means he went first in foreign trip was to Afghanistan, where King Jahir Shah was so taken in by chance the maestro that he gifted him priceless Persian carpets and other souvenirs. Persian carpets means made in Persia. Carpets, do you know very well? Other sovereign means things given in memory of a place, person or event. In memory of a place means that is the thing that given in a memory of a place, means like a pratik chinna, souvenir. The king of the Afghanistan was not the only one to be fascinated with the Bismillah's music. Means the king of Afghanistan is not only the one person who attracted with Bismillah Khan's music. Film director Vijay Bhatt was so impressed. Film director Vijay Bhatt was so impressed after hearing Bismillah's play at a festival that he named a film after the instrument called Goonj Uthi Shehnai. I think you have know about this film name. Means after listening the music of Shehnai, Vikram Bhatt produced a film, and it gave the name of his film Goonj Uthi Shehnai. The film was hit. And one of the Bismillah Khan's compositions. Bismillah Khan played Shehnai in this film. Like this is the song where Bismillah Khan played Shehnai, Dil Ka Khilona Hai Toot Gaya. This is the song name. Turned out to be a nationwide chart buster. Nationwide means very popular in the nation, in the whole world. Chart buster. Chart buster, here is the main name, record breaker. Record breaker means he break the records, all records of the film industries. Despite this huge success, huge means very big success in this celluloid world. Celluloid means old-fashioned way of referring to films. Old-fashioned way of referring to films. Celluloid world, Bismillah Khan's ventures in film music were limited to Vijay Bhatt's Goonj Uthi Shehnai and Vikram Srinivas Kannada venture. Means they signed only 2 films, Goonj Uthi Shehnai and Vikram Srinivas Kannada venture, Sandhi Appanna. This is the Kannada film, and I just can't come to terms with the artificiality and glamour of the film world. Means